For nearly 3 decades, Winning Solutions Inc. has been one of the most dependable Excel development partners in the US. Businesses choose WSI for one reason: results. We've been Excel programmers since 1996, delivering proven experience across every industry. Our solutions are fast, cost-effective, and designed to meet tight deadlines without sacrificing quality. Unlike many developers, we understand business workflows, not just code. That means every tool we build aligns with how your team actually works. WSI supports clients nationwide and internationally, across industries from finance to education. Got a complex or broken Excel file? We can enhance, optimize, or rescue it completely. Every project includes clean, well-documented code that's easy to maintain and scale. WSI doesn't just write formulas. We turn Excel into a smart, scalable business system. That's why hundreds of organizations have trusted WSI for nearly 30 years. Experience, speed, cost-effectiveness, technical excellence. That's the WSI difference. Start your Excel improvement journey today. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.